It's a blessing to be here at Eat Good TV. We are so grateful to be alive. Today I have a special for you. It's my baked chicken. Here are all the ingredients you need for the baked chicken. We need our chicken. The chicken is the star of the show. We need our vegetable because we're going to have baked chicken with mixed vegetables. And over here I have all the seasoning. Here I have onion powder, garlic powder, allspice, all-purpose seasoning, cayenne pepper, paprika, and black pepper. And I'm going to mix everything together so I combine it. Mix all the seasoning together. So I'm just going to place the chicken in the bowl, and then I'm going to season the chicken. Overnight is best. If you leave it overnight, then it's best. So I'm going to put the chicken in here. And the chicken is washed with lemon and vinegar. When you clean your chicken with the lemon and vinegar, always remember to take this part out of the chicken. This part, anything here, you just take it out. If it has anything in here, make sure in here is clean. And make sure here don't have anything on it. You take them off. Anything on it, you take it off. But this is clean. Wash with lemon and vinegar and ready to be seasoned up. And I love chicken. You can cook chicken in many different ways. Many different ways you can cook chicken. You can beer chicken, jerk chicken, sweet and sour chicken, paprika chicken, teriyaki chicken. Name it. You can cook chicken in a million different ways and it is so delicious. I love chicken. Leave me in the comment what's your favorite meat. My favorite meat is goat meat. And I love ackee and saltfish. Ackee and saltfish and goat meat is mine. But I eat chicken too. I like chicken. Ackee and saltfish is what I love. I love my ackee and my saltfish. I love saltfish and ackee. Yeah, you just rub everything together. Make sure it's good and you marinate this overnight and you put it to bake. And the baked chicken with the vegetable is good. Even on Sunday, you don't have to be having rice and peas all the time like in the olden days. We make some baked chicken and vegetable. It's good on a Sunday for dinner. Just have it with a nice drink. Some carrot juice. Some carrot beetroot juice with carrot. Very nice. This is very good for Sunday dinner. Anytime dinner. Any day of the week dinner. I changed family and I did it overnight because overnight is best. And I had the time, so I did it overnight. So first I'm going to just put some ghee butter, like a teaspoon of ghee butter in the pan here. And then I'm just going to grease my baking sheet with the ghee butter. And I'm going to add the chicken. You see overnight all smelling up the place and it don't cook yet. So I'm just going to place the chicken in the pan. Then we are going to cook our vegetable. I just take this out. Can't get it out. I just put it over it. No waste here. Whatever in the container here, I'm just going to scrape it and put it over it. Looking all good. So we're going to put our chicken in the oven, 350 degrees. Make sure you preheat your oven at 350 and place the chicken in the oven. And the chicken is well seasoned. The season smells so good. Smelling up the place. For our vegetable, I have onion, scallion, tomato, scotch bonnet pepper, and garlic. And your mixed vegetable. I said for the mixed vegetable. I put 1 tablespoon of oil in the pot. So now I'm gonna pour in my Scotch bonnet pepper, tomato, scallion, onion. And just leave your fire on medium heat. Cook your vegetables for about 2 minutes. All these fresh ingredients here, just cook it for 2 minutes. And I call it my fresh seasoning. So I just cook this for 2 minutes before I add the mixed vegetable. Yes, I'm just stirring this for about 2 minutes. And then I'm going to add the mixed vegetable in. Make sure the pot is nice and seasoned with the onion and the garlic and the scallion. Oh yeah, this is going to make your vegetable very nice. And if you're a person who like bell pepper, you can add some bell pepper, assorted bell pepper in there. Now that all this fresh seasoning is cooked, add your vegetable and mix it together. And that's frozen vegetable, and you just mix everything together and cover to steam. And you can add some all-purpose season to your vegetable. A tablespoon of all-purpose season I'm going to add in the vegetable. And just mix it together. And then cover and let it cook. Let's mix everything together. Just combine everything together. Let me remove the cover. The vegetable is cooked and we are waiting on the chicken. Let me have a taste. It's gonna have a small amount. I know it's hot. Let it cool off a little and then I'm gonna taste it. It's hot, I have to blow it. Delicious, delicious, delicious. It's very good. There you have it, family. Your baked chicken with your mixed vegetable. Bye from Eat Good TV. Love you. Wish you all the best. Bye.